Hey everyone, this is Oreo Thumbs. Welcome back to my channel. So right at this very moment, I'm here in Canhugas Nature Park in Hernani, Eastern Samar. So this is almost 3 hours travel from the city of Tacloban. You would observe at my back, it's a very rocky feature with the Pacific Ocean at my back. So I hope every one of you guys visit here in Hernani, Eastern Samar. So samahan niyo po ako. Bye-bye! So ayan, nandito na po tayo sa Hernani, Eastern Samar. Here we are. Pangmalakasang lakaran po. It's a quite sunny and fine day. So I advise every one of you guys kung pupunta dito, you put your sunblock on at umbrella kasi ang init talaga. Pero worth it naman kasi you could see the view. Look at my back.
Halos mo talaga dito.
Ooh. You guys, do you enjoy here?
Yes, of course.
Why no? Kasi mainit. Hi, pauwi na po kami. So, we're quite tired, but you guys enjoyed a lot.
Yes, it's worth it.
I think so.
so.
I think so.
But
You think
we're
so?
gonna come back and we're gonna swim there. Because
Swim?
the water is good and it's good for swimming
Okay.
and love making. I'm sorry.
Rated PG.
Yes.
How about you, Sir Sepas? Did you enjoy much?
I'm so tired.
Why are you so tired?
I think it's gonna rain.
Huh?
And we need to be real fast.
So there you go, everyone. I hope every one of you guys enjoyed my channel. This is Ariel Tam, so see you next time. Bye-bye.